So now we have discussed diesel engine, petrol engine in a 4-stroke. This figure shows all 4 strokes separately. You can see here that suction or charging stroke, where the piston moves from TDC to BDC, inlet valve is open, inlet air plus fuel is entering into the system. So here they have shown fuel injector valve, means what? This we have to consider it as a diesel engine. So this is suction. In the compression, what happen? Both valves are closed and air will get compressed. In expansion, both valves are closed, fuel is injected and the burning will occur. And in exhaust process, the exhaust valve is open and exhaust gases goes outside. So this is suction stroke, compression stroke, expansion stroke and exhaust stroke, or we can say it's a process: suction process, compression process, expansion process and exhaust process. So one process required one stroke, and that's why it is called as stroke or processes. Now let us see some of the videos related to this one. Here in this particular video, there are 4 processes shown: intake, compression, expansion, exhaust. Now ignition is in between process, after compression or before the expansion. Expansion process they have given name as a power stroke and exhaust. Now let us see how it happens. Now in this particular picture, what we are observing is the inlet manifold, whatever we have discussed till now, is on the left side, and exhaust manifold we have discussed on the right side. But in this video they have shown this as the inlet manifold and this as a exhaust manifold. This is spark plug which is provided centrally, and this is a piston. Okay, so blue and red, whatever is there, that is air fuel mixture considering. Now the piston is moving in downside direction, vacuum is generated here. Because of vacuum, air plus fuel is entering into the system. So that air plus fuel will be accumulated in the space above the piston. So red and blue, it shows air plus fuel mixture. So they have shown the name as inlet manifold, exhaust manifold. Then after this, it will go for compression process. In the compression process, the piston compresses the air plus fuel mixture. After compression, it should go, as you are knowing, it should go for ignition process. Now ignition process occurs when piston is stopped at TDC. So spark has occurred, fuel has got burned, because the pressure is generated over the piston starts moving on downside direction. That is expansion process. And then finally it is going for exhaust. So the white color what you are finding, that is exhaust gases, and exhaust gases are going out. Like these processes are happening. So once again it is shown, this is the intake or suction process. The piston moves from TDC to BDC. Then it is going for compression process. For compression process, the piston compresses the air plus fuel. Then ignition will occur. Then piston is coming on a downside direction for power stroke, and afterward there is a exhaust. So this is what exhaust process. So like that 4 processes are present. Okay.